The idea of a paperless office was something we really wanted. For many years we've advertised the fact that we're youthful in our outlook and modern practices, and frankly behind the scenes we were still struggling with the lack of document management systems. You may be able to see at the back of the room some boxes. They have the word shred written on the side of them. They are the last of the few that we need to complete the scanning on and get them into the system. They've just sit next to a relatively large photocopier that zips them into the system through the scanning facility, and then we say goodbye to them. We used to have a warehouse on the outskirts of Norwich here that was costing us about £20,000 a year. That is now sublet to somebody else and giving us an income of about £10,000 a year. On that issue alone, you could justify introducing this software. Invu is not just about saving time, although it does save an immense amount of time. It's more a question of retrieval and organisation. Many times in the past we've gone to a filing cabinet to pick out the file only to realise that one of our colleagues has already taken it out, and then you don't know which colleague has it. Now it doesn't matter, everybody has access to everything all the time. You just type in the name of the client or the topic or the particular issue you want to know about, and there it pops up in front of you. Personally, I use it all the time. I use it for private information. There are separate filing systems within the framework that can be isolated and kept secret. It really does integrate well with the other software. I was very keen to make sure that happened. We had RS, we also have other software such as Microsoft Office and other products. Until Invu and RS formed this partnership, we didn't have the back-end set up to support our external image, but certainly that's not the case now. We are able to work from anywhere. We have the digital capacity to take a laptop anywhere in the world and access all the files we need whenever we need to, and it really has opened the doors for us. And this was impossible without a document management system that could back it up. Invu was installed at Leeds in the summer of 2008. It was a relatively straightforward process. We had a software chap here for just a morning to set the system up and put it onto our server. We had done a little work beforehand in preparation for that, and then we had about a day and a half in training, and people just wanted to get their hands on it and start playing with it. The training whetted the appetites, and it really was a very swift implementation. We liaised at that stage with a company called Scan Worx, who were acting on behalf of Invu, and again, I've nothing but praise for the way they handle it. Very capable guys, and the very few times after the implementation process was complete that we needed to contact them again, they were right there with a swift explanation of what we needed to do. If I was to say anything to other accountants, I would say if you're a competitor of mine, don't bother getting it. If you're not a competitor, then I would wholeheartedly recommend it.